Hello and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the best online social media marketing courses. So these are courses that also comes with certificates. Exactly. So whatever reason why you want to learn social media marketing, either you want to learn it for yourself, that is, you have a business or you offer services and then you want to take advantage of social media marketing to increase your sales or increase your online presence, or you want to offer it as a service. Exactly. Maybe you want to be offering social media marketing services on the side or full-time as an agency. So this video is for you because I'm going to be sharing you a combination of both free courses and paid courses to get you started in the world of social media marketing. So if that interests you, do make sure you watch the video to the end. And also, do just look below the video and kindly take our time to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so just take 1 or 2 seconds. All right, so thank you very much if you have just subscribed, and let me know in the comment section if you have just subscribed through this video. All right, so without wasting time, let's quickly get into the video. And let me also mention that all the videos I'm going to be recommending, there are just 4 videos I'm going to be recommending. You'll find a link to those videos in the description of this video so that you can just click on it and get started immediately. Exactly. All right, so now let's get into the video. All right, so before I start showing you some of the videos that I want to show you that will put you through the world of social media marketing, let's look at what social media marketing is all about. So if you come on Google and then you just search for what social media marketing is, you come across quite a number of definitions, but this explains everything. It says social media marketing involves the use of social media platform to connect with your audience, to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. That is as simple as that. The key thing there is we are making use of social media platforms, the Facebook, the Twitter, the Instagram, the Pinterest, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, everything. You understand? It might not be everything though, but you might just pick 1 or 2 platforms or a number of platforms that actually works for you. Exactly. And then use them to build your audience, to increase sales, drive traffic. Exactly. And like I said earlier, you can also do this for yourself. That's for your own business itself, or you can offer this as a service. And if I thought you are offering it as a service, you also need it for your own self as an agency, because you also need clients. You also need to make sales. Exactly. If you make sales, that is when you are getting a client that you want to actually work for. So what are the courses that can come handy to put you through? Either you are a beginner or you have little idea in social media marketing. So now let's look at the first one. So this is the first course, social media marketing, bootstrapping with fundamentals. Okay, so now let's analyze this course. It says, learn how to build and boost your small business with social media marketing in this free online social media marketing course. So social media marketing, the abbreviation is SMM, that's social media marketing. So it says social media marketing is becoming a prevalent business practice. We have thus designed this course to provide all the necessary insights into social media marketing fundamentals. This course includes frequently used important terms in social media marketing with various significant pillars and advertising method. You will also discover how to create perfect social media marketing strategy to become a success. Exactly. And that's one thing about social media. You need to have a strategy. And the strategy, you need to have a strategy that will actually work for you. And what strategy might work for business A and might not work for business A. The strategy may work on Facebook and it will not work on Instagram. Exactly. So you actually need to know how all of this system work, and that's one of these things that this course is promising, and every other course. Okay. So this is a 1 to 3 hours course, so that means it's not a too long course. It's something that you can just sit down and watch, even more than once in a day. Okay. So, because some of these courses, after watching it once, you might just need to also watch it again, take notes, practice some of the things that will be explained in the video. Exactly. Okay. So we have, for this particular course, at the time of making this video, there are about 27,000 learners already enrolled. So let's look at the course module. So it's just 3 modules. The third one is the course assessment. So the first one talks about the fundamental of social media marketing. And then the second module talks about the essentials of social media marketing. Exactly. All right. And then the third one is a course assessment. That is more like a questions under the other modules. And then once you passed it, I think 75%, then you're entitled to getting a certificate. Exactly. So this is the first one. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video, so do make sure you check it out. All right, so now let's check the second one. So okay, so once you come on this and you want to get started, just click on start course now, and then you'll just be able to access the course. So this is a free course. So now let's look at the second one, which is also a free course. It says that the basic of social media marketing. Exactly. So it says, do you want to turn your social media account into a concrete marketing and sales machine? This digital marketing course explains how to harness social media to build your personal and business brand. We demonstrate how to generate leads, raise brand awareness, improve customer support, and increase sales conversion. Exactly. Because these things that they mention here, they generate lead, raise brand awareness, improve customer support, and increase sales conversion. These are the core thing of that you need with social media, especially with social media marketing. And this is what this course is promising. Exactly. So far there are 37,000 learners already enrolled into this course, and then it's a 3 to 4 hours course. Exactly. So that means you should be expecting a lot of information as long as social media marketing is concerned. And like if you look here also, it made mention that this digital marketing course explained how to harness social media to build your personal business or your personal to build your personal or business brand. So like I said, you might not just be learning it for your own personal business or for your own personal brand. You might also be learning it and using the knowledge to offer services to other business, and then you charge them a fee for it. Exactly. All right. So now let's look at the course module. It has two, but if you look at it, it has a lot of um, other part that it is touching. So social media and social media marketing, social media, sales psychology, marketing on Facebook and YouTube, marketing on Twitter, Pinterest, and Quora, and then social media and social media marketing. Then that's the lesson summary, then the course assessment. Exactly. So I'll leave a link to this also in the description. So once you come here and then you click on start course now, then you can get started with the course. So these are reviews from those that have completed the course. So he said, I enjoy sharpening my skills on basic social media marketing. If you're in social media marketing, this is the course to add to in your skills. Exactly. So if you're a freelancer, a social media marketer, or a digital marketer, this is a course that comes highly recommendable. Okay, so now let's look at the third course. So this is the third course, Social Media Marketing and Management Masterclass 2025. So you can see that this course has been updated recently to year 2025. So even if you are watching it much after year 2025, this is a great course that you need to look into. So you can see it's a bestseller with a rating of 4.6 with 6,000, almost 7,000 rating, and rating at 4.6. That's to tell you how great the course is. So this is what you learn. You learn about social media marketing, social media management, freelancing, social media advertising, grow an online business, and become an influencer. You can see this covers everything you need to know about social media. Exactly. Everything you need to know about social media with respect to growing your business, growing your brand, and then making sales, getting conversion. Exactly. All right. So this is a 36 hours on-demand video. That's all the videos together is about 36 hours. So these are the highlights of the course contents: market research, strategy. And remember, I mentioned earlier about strategy. You need to know how to create a strategy and have a strategy that actually works for you and for the platform that you're actually working with. Goal setting, influencer marketing, branding and design, content marketing. These are important topics that you need to really understand if you want to be at the top of your game when it comes to social media marketing and management. Exactly. Sales psychology, Facebook ads, Facebook e-commerce ads. So that's lets you know that if you're making Facebook ads, is different, a little different when you are now looking at it from the perspective of e-commerce. Exactly. Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, YouTube ads, Instagram marketing. These are different. You can see that these are separate video created for different social media platforms. Exactly. And then we have a bonus lecture. So this is the course content. These are the things that this you'll be learning in this course for a total of 36 hours, approximately 35 hours, 56 minutes. Let's say 36 hours. Exactly. So now let's see if you can just look at some reviews so you can see these guys are amazing. If you scroll down also, you'll see more review. Okay, so I love the fact that I've learned so much, especially as a beginner. I recommend this course to everyone. So it's a great course with a good number of positive review, and for the fact that it's a bestseller in the niche for social media marketing, which makes it highly recommendable. So for this now, it costs $17.99, approximately $18. However, the price might be different based on your location or whenever you are watching this video. However, it's a great value for money. You're going to really learn a lot from this course. Either you are watching it for personal purpose or you want to start offering social media marketing services. Exactly. You're going to really enjoy this course. Okay, so now let's look at the last one. So this is the last course I want to, and the fourth one I want to actually recommend, which is social media marketing agency, digital marketing plus business. Exactly. So this particular course focus more on putting you through social media marketing in terms of offering it as a service, in terms of offering it as an agency. Exactly. That means you're looking at it at the business point of view. You said, learn how to build a business, find clients, and social media marketing all in one. Exactly. So if you are looking forward to start a social media marketing agency, then this is the course I should actually go for. Exactly. So what you learn: marketing strategies on 12 platforms, how to sell a product, create successful advanced ads, email marketing and create sales funnel, create websites for your agency and others. You're also going to learn how to build a marketing agency, find and get clients, both local and online. This course will give you helpful insights on how you can get clients, because that's one of the important things. If you actually know some of these skills and you can't find clients, you might just get frustrated out of it. Okay, so this is 52 hours of videos. Okay, which is almost 56 hours of videos, and this is the course content. So build your agency part 1, ChatGPT, prompt engineering, find your niche, digital marketing mentality, which is about. And then, once you just come on this page, you can take your time to go through some of the course content. You see YouTube marketing, Twitter marketing, how to manage clients, SEO, website optimization. You can see it's giving you a whole lot more, even beyond social media marketing, and that you're actually going to need. It's also showing you some other things that you can even offer as upsells for clients that just need only digital marketing. Exactly, because like I said, this course is looking at it from the agency point of view. So how to drive traffic, Facebook, pro live stream, entrepreneurship mindset. You can see for 2 hours, 51 minutes, you're going to be looking at entrepreneurship mindset. Exactly. Okay, so 3 mindsets of success. So this is, like I said, going beyond just showing you how to do stuff on social media, but it's also looking at how to put you through the business part of social media marketing as an agency. Exactly. So these are the 4 courses that I want you to actually look at. You can actually take up all the 4. There are 2 free courses. There are 2 paid courses. So there's nothing bad or anything wrong in you taking out time to check out all the 4 courses. Exactly. And this course is actually $15.99, approximately $16. So the price might be different based on your location or when you are actually watching this video, but trust me, it's a great value for money. Exactly. So do make sure you check them out. I'm going to leave a link to all of these 4 courses in the description of this video. Start out with, if you cannot start with the paid, you can start out with the free courses. They are even more shorter. This is about 3 hours. This is about 4 hours. Then the paid one has more resources and more information. So this is about 36 hours. And this is about 53 hours. Exactly. So do make sure you check out all of these courses. They are just 4 courses for you to check out. And then I'm very sure that the course will be of great value to you. And if it does, just let me know. Come back in the comment section and let me have your thoughts on that. So that's it, guys. If you have any question for me with respect to these courses, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to have your thoughts on all of these courses. And like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video. So thank you very much. Do make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and then I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.